Oh!
What do we break?
Your block.
Hello everybody. Welcome back to today's vlog where we are going to continue working on the 1991 Volkswagen Jetta, also known as Lowrider. What are we doing today? Well, there's still more cleaning to do as we get ready for the engine to go back into the body. I'm gonna take a nice seat now. But I have I think a final walkthrough of the block today. Just want to get someone else's eyes on it before we start painting it hypo yellow, which I'm super excited for, just because I've never painted an engine block, and I think this color is going to be so obnoxious that it's going to get everyone's attention, which is kind of the fun point of this car. Besides that, we have to start cleaning out the engine bay. I went and bought a bunch of stuff, like a bunch of stuff, at the store the other day. Bunch of stuff. Cleaning stuff, gums cleaning stuff, more cleaning stuff, some WD-40, some towels, bunch of things like that. So we can start cleaning out the engine bay itself, and then we are going to paint the engine bay, and then once all of that's done, a reassembly starts. So with that being said, let's get this stuff out to the garage, let's take the engine out, let's bring it to the driveway, and let's start cleaning. Okay, transition. That was the transition.
So Ian got that 500 or whatever?
Yeah.
That thing sounds gnarly.
Sounds so fucking good. Okay.
Okay, it's not too much.
I swear there's got to be more.
There's always more.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Look at that.
Duke.
What is this? Do we have to take this off?
So this is your oil pump.
That's the oil pump.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. More pieces of the...
Yeah, right. So that's what I wanted to look at, like if there was any little bits inside your oil pickup tube, and it seems like there's a couple in here maybe.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we just want to
Wow, that's disgusting.
Yeah, so if that gets clogged...
Can we take this off or no? It's kind of stuck on there.
Yeah, it's on the water pump as far as I can tell. It looks like a screen that's hammered into place. Yeah. Like this whole thing. So, oh, but yeah, there's a ton of shit in there.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
That's crazy.
So yeah, I mean, there's big chunks in here. I'm assuming there's little chunks in there that's kind of clogging up the screen as well.
Can we take all this off? Check?
Yeah, and kind of knock it out and whatever. But yeah, if like that screen, you really don't want that screen to be clogged. Yeah. And it's just, it's got a bunch of shit in it. So you might want to consider grabbing the oil pump off that.
Yeah.
How does this work?
Science.
How do angles work?
Oh, that was satisfying.
Yeah. Want to do this one?
Yeah.
Feels pretty good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, make sure it's seated in there. I just kind of...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's how they should all go on the bottom end. Like, real consistent, real... Oh, dude, you know what?
What?
I bet that's geared. I bet it's... Oh, come here. This is awesome. All right, so that's what turns the water pump, okay? And it runs off your timing, so you spin that.
Oh.
Look at that, man. Isn't that cool? So that's a shaft. That's a shaft. Wow, that's cool. So it runs off this one, and I guess there's another gear here that turns lateral into, you know, I don't know.
Super interesting.
Differential. Yeah, but yeah, for real. I mean, that's a really cool way of putting it there. Because you see, my pump's in the front here, and I have the timing chain that comes down here, and then I have another sprocket, and that sprocket just interacts with the oil pump.
This engine's fucking fascinating.
Right? Pretty
it's
cool
so
how, like,
cool.
different companies do different shit. Oh my god.
Oh god. I think that's the easier way to do it. I see dust.
Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
That's good. Alright, so you're slowly turning the motor. Yeah. So
what's that mean?
flywheel and...
I mean, it's not working.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Wrench still on? That's not moving.
And I killed it. Oh.
Breaker bar.
Do you have a breaker bar? Or do
No.
you have... Just use your ratchet and a jack handle.
Yep. Yeah.
Then we can watch all of the internals just blow.
Lovely. Should we put some penetrating oil on this? Penetrating oil? No?
Good
A
night.
little bit?
That's good.
Something will break.
Let's not break things, but like I understand.
We can break the bolt
We're
loose.
gonna break the bolt loose.
Oh, yeah.
Do you just want to see if maybe?
Heave hole. It's good.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, let's see. Yeah. I kind of doubt it, but. Nope. Definitely not. Put the flywheel on there. Where's that flywheel?
It's just like...
Nope.
No, we're good.
Maybe like on a stone. I don't think we're shipping the car.
Oh yeah, use the stones. Fuck this. I hate them anyway. Ugh.
I mean, ideally we get it on there more. It's just cutting itself off. Yeah, it's self-clearancing.
Oh my god.
Give it a rip, dude. It's your new gigantic. Yeah, get the slider in. To prevent vibration.
This is so funny. There we go. That's the way to do it now.
Oh, my bad.
Then I don't have to go through so much footage.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, try this. Nope. It's like imagine it shattering.
Yeah. Everything.
This. Engineering. What is the engineering version of stonks?
Ooga oogas.
Got a candle.
Oh. GoPro, stop recording. Well, that's real breezy. Okay. Yeah, so we're maxed out on that. Yeah. Shit. I hope we're all in frame for this. Should we try again? Maybe not our faces, because we shouldn't be, sorry. Oh, here, do you want me to, let's... Yeah, let me know when you get a grip on it. Yeah, go ahead. Nope.
Okay. What's the right way to do this?
Well...
I just not have the tool.
I'm wondering what the right way to do it is. I mean, on my shit, I have a dowel that'll stop on the flywheel. But I got it out because they're genius.
Look at this! Lauren, I don't care what your mom says. You're not a complete failure. This is wonderful.
Where's the socket at? It's down there.
This is gonna be so easy now.
That's what it is. Oh shit.
Yeah?
Yep.
Cool. Restore.
Oh!
What do I break?
Your block.
No.
Not in a huge way. Not in a huge way. It did
I can't
break
believe
it,
that.
but, yeah. Wow.
So no, I don't have a block?
No, you have block. You have block. Yeah. That's just a little annoying. So that's one of the locator dowels for your transmission.
Okay.
But honestly, you could just like
I can't believe.
Yeah, no, I can't believe that either. Like that's insane.
That was the last thing I was expecting to.
Yeah. That's why I was holding it.
Huh. So yeah, there was a piece there, and now we broke it.
And that's fucking shoved in there.
Cool.
Yeah, let's get that out. Wow. You putting your whole weight on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that too much weight?
No. I mean, it didn't break the bolt.
Right.
Yeah.
All right.
I've never seen something like that happen with like cast iron. So you can honestly get JB weld and just stick it back on there. That's just a locating dowel for your transmission.
Okay.
You should be fine because you have that, you have that, you have that.
Yes.
No big deal. Not ideal, but it's not.
So
It's not an
I
engine
just
killer.
feel like maybe we're gonna keep this on right now,
Yeah.
and we'll paint around it.
Yeah. Sure.
Well, I just don't know if this is coming off.
Yeah, me either. I do not want it slipping out.
Nope. Yeah, that's fine.
More?
Oh, like smidge. Yeah. Stop. There you go.
Oh my god. Stonks.
I'm afraid it's just gonna like move the car.
Or there's like enough play in the wheel.
I think it, yeah.
Today's video is brought to you by 1552 wheels.
Federal tires. Maybe I should just floor it and have that spin it. And
I love it.
Yeah, until it eats it under the car. I think it's all just spinning as one. I think.
yeah. I'm thinking, dude, go grab WD-40.
Oh, just soak the rubber down.
Yeah, because look, it
Yo,
is
I've got some
it's-
KY.
It is moving in there.
It
you
is.
See? Yeah. Bring a hammer.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
Yeah, but like this is the first time I get to see your car up close.
Yeah, check it out.
Yo, I'm all into it. Oh, a cob tuner? A racer boy.
Yeah. OEM plus.
Plus.
Good stuff.
Was this
I'll
the
let you drive
original interior?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Very few of these came with leather. So I got sunroof too. Got like heated windshield and shit. I got a pretty rare one, honestly. Lauren, so yeah, hit the brake. Go there, hit
The
the
best
brake.
part is the radio still says Subaru on it.
Yeah, dude, I'll pop the hood. Everything says Fuji heavy. It's
Yeah.
it's everywhere. Yeah, hit the brake.
Oh, that's better. Oh, I see it moving.
There we go. That's a full movement.
Wait, I'm gonna move this in because you're getting close.
Oh, it's coming out now. Lauren, you're doing so great.
Good job, bud.
Dude, get a close up on this.
It's some fucking teamwork. Oh my god.
Shut it down. Well, okay, we'll take your foot off the brake. Scooch it forward. A little more.
Oh, it's like in a crevice.
Yeah, like put it in first, kind of. There you go. Beautiful. Always sticking in first. Lauren, are you gonna come to the drift event at the end of October?
For the Halloween bash?
That's the one in Ohio.
Bash. Which Halloween bash? Like,
Oh, so you?
I
don't know. It showed up in my Facebook feed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So send that to me. I want to know where they're having it.
Someone invited me to it.